So we have a solid square-based pyramid. Here's the square base, ABCD, so you have to imagine that being flat on the ground, and the vertex V is 4 centimeters above, well, it appears to be above the middle of the base, and M is the midpoint of BC, would tell us that, because that is then right in the middle of the square base. So we have a lot of information about our square-based pyramid, and we can draw it from the front, which is what they're asking us to do. From the direction they give us, an accurate front elevation. Okay, so first thing is we see the whole width of it from A to B, so that is 6 centimeters wide if that is A and B. And then we see V, and V is how far above the base. Well, it's, as we've already said, 4 centimeters above that. So we count up to there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and V we will see at the top. And that is all we see. Okay, from the front, we probably ought to put some distances on here, just to be clear that that is 5 centimeters and that is 5 centimeters, and this distance here is 6 centimeters, and that is the front elevation. There is, however, a second part of this question, and we're asked to work out the total surface area. Well, let's just think about this. Go back and look at the pyramid. It's got a square base and then 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular sides. So this is going to be the square base plus 4 lots of the triangle. Okay, and if we look at the triangle is 6 centimeters across, and looking at the height of the triangle, the height comes from this length VM, and they tell us that it's 5 centimeters. So it shouldn't be too hard to work out the area of that. Okay, and we know that the square is a 6 centimeter square. Okay, so the surface area is therefore 6 times 6 plus 4 times, now the area of a triangle we should know is a half the base times the height, and if you look at that triangle, it has a base of 6 and a height of 5, and we just need to work that out. Now, given we haven't got a calculator, let's cancel what we can, and I'm going to say that 4 times a half, well, 4 over 2 is 2, and so this is 6 sixes are 36. The second bit is 2 times 6, which is 12, and 12 fives are 60. And so the surface area is 96 square centimeters. And that is that.